27th, welcome back. We have 2 parts for your workout today. Starting on part A, we have 5 rounds for load and for reps. We're going to perform 30 seconds of front squats, followed by a 30-second rest, and then 30 seconds of a lat pullover, followed by 30 seconds of rest. And moving on for part B, we have a workout that is 10 rounds for max repetitions. We have a 1-minute clock. In 1 minute, we're going to perform 2 devil's press, followed by 8 renegade rows, and then in the remaining time, max rep box jumps. We're going to rest 1 minute between each interval. So if we were going to score this workout, your score would be the total number of box jumps you completed across all of these 10 rounds. All right, everybody, best of luck on these workouts. We're excited to hear how you did. Make sure you post your comments to our notes.
Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Wednesday, May 27th. Gonna take you through another warm-up. Started off, we're gonna do 5 sets of 20 mountain climbers and 5 sprawls, just to get that blood flowing. From there, we're gonna do some mobility. We're gonna start off on the hands and knees, get into a cat stretch. All right, from there, we're going to post up our legs into a pigeon pose, open up those hips. Then we're going to lean back into a dip stretch, warm up those shoulders, and our last stretch will be a plow pose. All right, after our mobility, we're going to do 3 rounds of a series of movements. First round, we're going to do 12 air squats. Second time through, you're gonna do 12 jump squats. And third round, you're gonna do 12 tuck jumps. After those reps, we have 9 V-ups and 6 double dumbbell snatches and 3 man makers. All right, you guys, get after it.